In Metairie, fresh air is more than a comfort, it is a necessity. With warm temperatures, high humidity, and long cooling seasons, homeowners are always looking for ways to improve airflow without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency. One of the most effective solutions is installing casement windows. Designed to open fully and catch passing breezes, casement windows offer superior ventilation compared to many other window styles. If you are looking for a practical way to enhance indoor comfort in your Metairie property, here is how casement windows can make a noticeable difference. Designed to capture the breeze, casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward using a crank mechanism. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that only open halfway, casement windows can open almost completely. This wide opening allows maximum airflow into your home. In Metairie's warm and humid climate, cross-ventilation is essential. Casement windows can be positioned to act almost like a small sail, catching side breezes and directing them indoors. When placed strategically across from another open window, they help create steady airflow that pushes stale, warm air out and pulls fresh air in. This natural ventilation can reduce indoor stuffiness and improve overall comfort. Better airflow in hard-to-reach areas. Many Metairie homes have kitchens, bathrooms, or hallways that struggle with airflow. Casement windows are especially helpful in these areas because they are easy to operate with a simple crank handle. You don't need to lift or slide heavy panels. In kitchens, casement windows can quickly release heat, steam, and cooking odors. In bathrooms, they help remove excess moisture after showers, which is important in a humid environment like Metairie. Reducing moisture indoors helps prevent mold growth and protects walls, paint, and cabinetry. Improved indoor air quality. Ventilation plays a key role in maintaining healthy indoor air quality. When air circulates properly, it reduces the buildup of indoor pollutants, allergens, and lingering odors. Casement windows allow homeowners to refresh indoor air quickly and efficiently. For families in Metairie who spend much of the year running air conditioning, opening casement windows during mild mornings or evenings provides a natural alternative. Even short periods of natural ventilation can help reduce indoor air pollutants and create a fresher living space. Energy efficiency benefits. While the main focus is ventilation, casement windows also support energy efficiency. Because they close tightly against the frame and use compression seals, they typically create a strong, weather-resistant seal when shut. This helps keep conditioned air inside during hot Metairie summers. The ability to open them fully means you can rely less on mechanical cooling during cooler days. By allowing natural breezes to cool your home, you may reduce your dependence on air conditioning and lower energy costs. Over time, this combination of improved ventilation and tight sealing contributes to better overall energy performance. Ideal for strategic placement. Casement windows work especially well when placed in areas that receive prevailing winds. In Metairie properties, positioning them on the side of the home that faces common breeze directions can dramatically improve airflow throughout the house. They are also ideal for pairing with fixed picture windows. A large fixed window provides expansive views and natural light, while adjacent casement windows allow you to control ventilation. This combination delivers both beauty and functionality. Enhanced comfort. Year-round comfort in Metairie often means managing humidity and heat. Casement windows allow homeowners to control airflow precisely. You can open them slightly for gentle ventilation or fully to maximize airflow. During storm season, modern casement windows are available with durable frames and impact-resistant glass options. This ensures that while you are improving ventilation and comfort, you are also maintaining protection and security. A smart upgrade for Metairie homes. For homeowners seeking a practical upgrade, casement windows provide a customer-focused solution that directly addresses common comfort challenges in Metairie. They maximize airflow, improve indoor air quality, and support energy efficiency, all while adding a clean, modern look to your property. By choosing casement windows, you are not just installing a new window style. You are investing in better ventilation, healthier indoor air, and greater day-to-day comfort for your family. In a climate like Metairie's, that kind of improvement makes a noticeable difference.